Hi everyone, welcome back, welcome back. This is another quick reaction video that I want us to go through this hour. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. How are we all doing? I just want you to pay close attention to what I'm about to show you now. It's a quick one. Don't worry, it's not going to be too long. Just your ear and your time is what I need in these few minutes, okay? Now, this is a post that Akparawa made, as you can see here, on April 8th. He made this post and he said, this is he made it post with a kind of post from this person called Uchechukwu Moses Madofaro. So the issue is about this person holding a Biafran flag, as you can see here on your screen. So let us hear what Akparawa have to say about this, how he connect it to suit his narrative. Now, he said, this is how DOS have been waving the biggest flag since 2014, which is literally insulting Mas Namadekano, okay, in case you don't know what that means. Literally insulting Mas Namadekano. That is from Akparawa to this, that they're waving flags since 2014 till this day. Nothing to show for. Nothing to show for, okay? He actually tagged Mas Namadekano. Nothing to show for. They all started fighting against PM Simon Ekpa after Mas Namadekano kidnapped. Mas Namadekano sent a message to all of them and said, you must all follow Simon Ekpa. They said, instead of following Simon Ekpa, let Biafran not come. Today, same thing happens again, where PM says everyone should fall back to Briggy. USB Nigeria group says instead of listening to Briggy, they will open their own group, USB Nigeria, to fund a Babago terrorists. Now, this is what I hate about these people. Not about them as a human being, but you know what I mean. There's time for everything in this life we are. You don't say things because your mouth can open and feel that Biafrans or people will just accept it the way you put it. I don't get it. Now, everything he said here is contradicting the purpose of the message he wanted to put. Mas Namadekano told DOS to follow Simon Ekpa. That is not what he said. You understand? Mas did not say DOS should follow Simon Ekpa. Nobody, he said Biafran should go and listen to Simon Ekpa. He did not say everybody should go and follow Simon Ekpa. That's number one. Number two, when Mas Namadekano said go and listen to Simon Ekpa, even Simon Ekpa did not know that he will lead at some point, I believe. All right? Go and listen to this person does not mean, okay, I have dissolved my own. Follow him. That's not what it means. But the situation called for people to follow Simon Ekpa and for Simon Ekpa to lead. You may say, yes, it is spiritual, yes, it's somehow divine connected and all that. Good and fine. But the truth is that when you are quoting somebody, quote the person the way it is. Mas Simon Ekpa, Biafran Prime Minister, did not just lead because he so desperate to lead. The situation provided the chance for him to lead, and Biafrans actually was yearning for a leader and hope that PM will do the needful, which he have done. Anybody who is genuine, who is sincere about everything, cannot come out and tell you, no, I don't, Simon Ekpa is just by an accident and he have done nothing. Nobody would say that. Little time he spent with a reference, Biafran cannot just forget it in a hurry. That is what it means. Now, speaking of what is happening now, because he's trying to compare what happened during the time of the kidnappers on the Ghana and what's going on now, there's two different. In fact, the difference is just like here to how it's just like from London to Nigeria. It is very quite far. Okay, very far. Now he said Mahatma sent a message to tell them to tell them and said, you must follow Simon Ekpa. Mahatma did not say that after they kidnapped him. Mahatma actually said follow Simon, listen to Simon Ekpa when he was still here. The message that Mahatma sent is that I'll give him a slot to broadcast on Radio Biafra. Give him a slot to broadcast on Radio Biafra, which we all was like, okay, is a good thing. But being that Simon Ekpa, Biafran Prime Minister, have a very pure, clean spirit and clean mind, fighting for his people, the deadness and darkness following Mahatma Gandhi all this while wanted to eliminate him by fire by force. That is how deadly it is. He resisted them with truth and evidence, which he provided often for Biafran to see the truth. Biafrans have this skill or gift to digest words and what they are able, and every Biafran person can dictate when lies are being pushed out and the intention and motive of those lies. But many of you who claim to be leader, blah blah blah, this one don't even understand the people that you claim that you are leading. He said again today, same thing happened again when PM says everyone should fall back to Briggy. PM did not just say fall back to Briggy because Briggy is what he wants and what he's proud of. The answer is no. And I don't believe that PM have said anything like that. But even if he do, it's not gonna be just like a pushover, easy thing to say. Which I doubt that PM cannot say that because PM actually understand our people more than all people claiming that with him. He understands it very well. That saying that is just like destroying what he have built. All right, and he said U.S. Nigerian group says instead of listening to Briggy, they will open their own. No, listen, just call it what it is. Briggy don't talk. Who is the one in the Briggy that is talking? You lie with everything in you. And I don't blame you because you must be equipped before you can push out a very clean standard lies. But your own, you are so eager and so ready to do and undo. Okay? Insulting the DOS that have carrying flag without proving anything is okay. I'm not against it because that's what they do, to be honest. But don't tell us that since 2014 that they have not done that. They have shown nothing for that and all that. Masagan have actually shown something. That's why PM joined. If Masagan was not showing anything convincing, PM that you are celebrating today would have joined. But your brain will not allow you to reason that way because you are so eager to blackmail genuine and innocent Biafrans. Somebody who give you, who use their, his truthfulness, push PM out from his place to come out and broadcast in support or in solidarity to what is going on. And he was doing that. On that process, Mazen Megano was kidnapped. So this idea of he sent message, he did not say that. And this petty lie is one of the reasons why I don't take anything from them serious, because they are full of lies and deceiving. Then he said, U.S. Nigerian group says instead of listening to Briggy, they will open their own group, Nigerian, to fund another lie and senseless statement. Speaking of carrying flag and waving flag and all that, because he started by talking about it as if it's not good. Let us go to their ATM. This is what their ATM posted. Okay, let me just expand it so you understand the hypocrite of those who claim they are fighting for Biafra for you. Like this Sonny Akparawa. He said, okay, the pictures, okay, breaking pictures of Igbo women representing in the Igbo community in the Ireland on St. Patrick's Day, 17th March 2025. Note that they were not waving the Nigerian flag. An average Igbo person is ashamed of Nigerian. The Igbos feel that they are too advanced to be associated with anything Nigeria. One thing is that I have said this before with this particular code, but the reason why I bring it out now is because of this waving flag, and to them, to the guy, he's not happy with it because somehow he is not making money out of it. Now, this is what Oge, APM of the Republic of Fallback, is saying. But guess what? The picture and people behind this picture you're seeing here are duels. The same duels they are telling you that by that this, that, and not that, which they are. I'm not here to defend duels, but you cannot be talking about duels and ignore the basic things that you're supposed to do. Do you get me? It's not done unless if you are not truthful to yourself, you are just lying. Then that one is understandable. Now, the same people, the same group, and everything, you criticize people waving flag. Then your ATM on the other side is praising those, displaying Biafran color, Biafran flag, and culture. So what is your problem then? Do you understand what I'm saying? Because they always want to condemn something when they're not in charge. Once we made them in charge, they want to everybody to fall back to support them. It's all about falling back to promote them. I don't know what they think, but the Dibia that promised them that refused to prepare the charm for everyone to fall back, which is not possible anyway. So I would like to know what your own take on this. Okay, just make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Like I promised, it will be a quick one, and we're gonna end it here. Please do me a favor and like it and subscribe. Very, very important, and God bless you all. Bye bye for now.